រៀបសួរពូមីងបងប្អូនយាយតាទាំងអស់គ្នាថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំធ្វើសម្លម្ជូរត្រីអូខេសូមចាប់ផ្ដើម Let's go.
This here, you guys, is one of my favorite Khmer soup. It's light, delicious, and easy to make.
Okay, let's start with the protein. We have fish. We have red tilapia and smelt. They're bone in, clean and gutted. And we have our tomatoes, cherry tomatoes and red tomato. And this is a ripe tamarind. It's soft, tart, sweet, and a little mushy. I'm using 4 cloves of garlic. I have galangal, relative of the ginger. I have some kaffir lime leaves, just about 5 of them. And this is lemongrass leaf. They're tied up just to release the oils. And 2 chili peppers. Here we have some herbs, some culantro, relative of cilantro. And ma'am or rice paddy herbs. And here I have some chopped mustard greens. So now we're going to soak the tamarind in water and put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds just to loosen it up and to get the juices out. All right, guys, on to the next part. We're going to prep our tomatoes and fish. So for our tomatoes, we're going to rinse them and cut them into small pieces. There's no set way, so you can cut them however your heart desires. And for fish, you're going to cut them in small pieces like how I do it. That way it cooks a little faster. And as I'm cutting the fish, we're going to talk about the benefits of eating the soup. So you're probably wondering, what are the nutritional benefits of eating the soup? Well, I'm glad you asked. Here are some of the basic things that you should know. So eating the soup, it's light, it's hydrating comfort food. It has lean protein from fresh fish, gentle sourness that supports digestion, anti-inflammatory herbs and aromatics, and it has a bunch of vitamins from the leafy greens and fresh herbs. There you go.
Damn, Daniel. With all these added benefits, you're good to go. You don't need no boyfriend, no girlfriend, no one to tell you what to do. You could quit your job. Legend has it, if you eat it enough, your credit might get good. Just kidding. Don't listen to me. But do fix your credit if it's bad, okay? Fix it now.
All right, next we're going to prep our aromatics. We're going to smash the garlic up on the cutting board like so and remove the peel. Then you'll toss the garlic into the pot. All right, next we're going to prepare the galangal. You want to remove the peel. It's really tough, so you want to do that and then thinly slice it. It has an earthy and rich nutty tone. So if you watch YouTube, Uncle Roger has this saying about ginger and galangal. He says, poor people use ginger. People with money use galangal. Uncle Roger, rate my video. I want to earn uncle status. Next, I'm going to toss the fish into the pot and let it boil. Now add fish sauce for flavor, so add to preferred seasoning. I start with 2 to 3 tablespoons and adjust later. This is one of my favorite brands. It's the 3 Crabs. It's about $11 at your local market. And then add the vegetables, which is the mustard greens. Now I'm slicing up the herbs, and I'm going to toss it aside and put it at the end. So this gives a really nice fresh aroma and taste to it. All right, next we're going to add some more flavor to the broth. This is called brahok, which is a fish paste. And it is stanky. So, and it's kind of like anchovies. It just gives a really good flavor. So we're going to basically sift it through the top to get the flavor, and then you're going to scoop all the foam and impurities out. All right, now we're going to season it. We're going to add some salt, about 1 teaspoon. I'm going to add some chicken seasoning mix, chicken bouillon, about 1 teaspoon. And some MSG, about half a teaspoon. What does MSG stand for? Make shit good. And then sugar, we'll do about a teaspoon of white sugar, table sugar. Now you're gonna stir, mix it around, and add the chili. So don't break the chili if you don't want it too spicy. The spiciness will infuse on its own, but it's light spice. If you break it, it gets really spicy. Now I'm adding a little more of the fish sauce to add a little more saltiness and flavor. And now the herb goes in. And we're about to stir it up. Look at that, slow motion. It looks so good. Ta-da! I didn't realize it. I was trying to look cute, but I have stuff all over my hands. Okay, this is fried garlic, the last bits I have. This has a nice roasted garlic scent to it and taste. Makes it really yummy. Then we're going to do the juice of the tamarind to give it that sourness and sweetness tone. So you're going to just scoop the juice up that's been sitting there for a while and take some of the broth and pour it back in to get the rest of that sour goodness of the tamarind. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can find other videos like this and more at How to Be a Millionaire. Bye.